Hello everybody, and today we are going to show you how to install a LG A1700 processor, a LG A1700 socket, an LG A1700 CPU into a motherboard that supports the LG A1700. So this is the processor, that's the motherboard. As you can see it is it's a tray version. This is not a boxed version of a processor. A boxed version mostly comes with a cooler, and a tray version without. It's a little bit cheaper, but yeah, we are going to use our own cooler, but that I go to use in a separate video. I first want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of computer stuff, lots of nice things. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it. So this is the tray version. We open this here, voila. I will put it here, and then here you have the metal. You open it like that, and then you have the port. You can open it like that, and then you can put the tray into it. There is a corner here, there is a corner here, so you can see how it fits. You cannot miss it, so you put it like this. Voila. It fits, and then you just close it. When it fits, you close it. Voila, and then you put this. You close it like this. Voila, the processor is inside of it, and voila. Now you have to still install the cooler in it. You have to push a little bit on it. So never remove the plastic before the processor is in it, because otherwise maybe some dirt can get in it or dust, and that's not what we want. If some dust comes inside of it and the processor gets hot, then you can have a problem. So never let dust come inside of it. Always keep the plastic on it before installing the CPU. Never open it, and close the metal lids with the CPU in it, with the plastic also in it. It will pop out automatically. So voila, you see that the processor is perfectly installed now. It completely lines up and stuff like that. So this went okay. We are going to make more videos from this. So if you like this, please don't forget to like it, and I see you later. Bye.